Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Zachie. Now I will talk about my purpose in life. Talking about the future, everyone wants to have a good future. First of all, I want to be able to speak English well. With that I have a lot to learn. I also want to get a scholarship so that my mother doesn't have to worry about my funding money for my college fees. I want to finish college on time. After I graduated from college, I want to get a job right away without having to struggle or wait to waste time. After that, I will make my parents happy and help my siblings who need help. Also, I will create my own business out of my own work while working. I will continue to work and have employees to develop the business that I have. I will build a house for my parents and make my parents happy. I will find the right partner for me, and eventually I will get married and live happily. So thank you guys for listening.